problem we researched is that on 19th of November 2020, the central government issued a notification to allow postgraduate Ayurveda doctors to perform selective medical procedures, but it just leads to integration of Ayurveda into modern medicine and allopathy, which is unrealistic and unguided mixing. The doctors of IMA stated that this notification just gives the impression that the skills and trainings of Ayurveda doctors in performing modern surgeries are same as those practicing modern medicine, which is totally misleading and fundamentally not good for patients.
So, after discussing about the problem of the IMA staging protests against mixopathy across the country, we came up with multiple solutions. The first solution which we came up with is promote Ayurveda while addressing IMA's concern. The government should promote Ayurveda and assure complete transparency to the citizens so that they can choose or compare between the two practices as per their needs. The second solution which we came up with is completely ignoring Ayurvedic practices. What will it do? Well, it ensures citizens' faith in allopathy is not ruined, assuring citizens that Ayurveda is good as allopathy on surgery grounds. The third solution which we came up with is making changes to the teaching procedures. We can include little Ayurvedic knowledge, but it will take a lot of transformations as IMA might still disagree.
After analyzing various possible solutions, we realized that none of the authorities' concerns can be overridden. So why not promote central government's ideas as a step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, while addressing IMA's valid concerns simultaneously, which must resolve the conflict between the two authorities. So, we propose to allow the beneficiaries choose themselves. The government then should build separate Ayurveda hospitals with separate administrations than the pre-existing hospitals. Then one can use a mobile application which compares the two on various grounds such as cost, facilities, success rates of various procedures, etc. This would present choices to the patients as well as would be a sound step towards transparency of medical procedures of hospitals in India.
So now, let's talk about the problems in implementing our solution. There may be discrepancies in the data given by the hospitals which have to be minimized. The second one is the massive infrastructure has to be developed for Ayurveda. And the last one is that the education of people is a must now since they are the one who gonna choose. But we are on our way to resolve these issues in our solution and come up with a refined one.